Today in this video I would like to share with a face pack. It contains AHA as help exfoliating our skin wonderfully, clear up the pores and keep breakouts at bay. Also they help lightening age spots, acne marks, scars and give us clear skin. It contains vitamin A and C, it helps in skin lightening and brightening benefits. Vitamin A helps reducing spots and marks by promoting cell regeneration process. Egg white. Take 1 egg white in a bowl and beat it well using a spoon or whisk. Egg white helps in skin brightening and also helps in skin tightening by closing large open pores. Soaked tamarind. Soak a gooseberry-sized tamarind in water for 30 minutes. Take a fresh potato, wash and cut into small pieces. Put soaked tamarind and potato in a mixer grinder. Curd. Put 2 tablespoons curd. Grind it well. Add this mixture to the egg white. Mix it well. Gram flour. Add 1 tablespoon gram flour to the mixture. Mix well. Pack is ready. Now let's see how to use. First cleanse your face and apply this face pack. Massage. Keep it for 20 minutes and wash off. Use a moisturizer. Apply this face pack twice in a week for best result.